Peace be with you. How are you doing? My dear friends, let us not be confused in this period of tribulation wherein we shall be hearing all religions are path to God. All religions are path to God. This period of tribulation is a period of globalization, but it's also a period of apostasy. So not all religions are path to God. Rather, there is only one path to God, and that is our faith in our Lord Jesus Christ, who is the way, the